yan. Sa
Habudu!
Ano to eh? Tinan mo.
Habudu!
May magic siya dito. Shot.
Hello? Yan, pwede na ako dyan.
So yes, this will be our home for one night, 2 days. Mama sitting pretty with the aircon. This, yung vibe niya parang ano, no? Parang old Chinabagi.
Makakapasok.
Bakit?
Bakit?
Currently, meron kaming chicken joy adobo. Pero wala kaming kanin. Bata doon, nagba-black blast. The iPad Kid. Meron kami kasamang iPad Kid.
Hindi ganyan. Dapat yung landscape para kuha yung lahat pati yung kuhaan.
Hello, Kuya Kip. Lamig.
Gadilayin mo.
Kala ko bahitin.
Mababa ang kuryente. Amaya-amaya wala na yan.
Alamigin ka sa ganyan. Saka na dito.
Teka lang.
Good morning. It's day 2 and eat na tayo. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning!
Hello, Zuki.
Ma'am, tuyog sa ka? Ayun, sa tuyog.
Kain na kami. Ah, hindi. Kaon na. Kaon na guys, kaon. Taga kuha ng simot-simot ko sa bunga.
Hey, Clyde, gusto mo kape?
Team Pampanga dito. Doon.
Isa lang daw yung hotdog, yung kay Clyde, dalawa.
Team Cavite. Eh, hindi. Kinuha ni Micah yung isa. Ayun, oh. Sama.
Yan yung ulam mo na eh.
Kanin with rice. Sama mo.
Oh, Michael.
Ang bigat na yun.
Kami ni Clyde, wala kami cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Kain na!
Magbo-blow tayong dalawa.
Nakikiano na naman to. Birthday mo?
Oo. Si Mama daw.
Madami tayo dyan, madami tayo dyan.
Sige pa. tsaka
May
si
4 din
Jose.
kami eh.
Hindi ka na nga sinasama
Isa pa.
Si mama ko umabot eh, April 15 yan eh.
Birthday.
Kami nga 3 araw lang yung delay eh. Ito, 1 buwan no? Birthday niya pa rin. Hindi pa naman.
Okay naman dalawa. Isa pa. Ako nag-play na to.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Blow the candle. O, ikaw naman din. Sunod, June. Tapos may birthday ng June 29 din. Blow, blow.
Kawawa yung
O,
cake
ikaw
sa
naman.
atin.
Ay, apati ako?
Oo.
Oh, February. February. February.
Birthday ni Suki!
Dali! Alis ka na naman eh.
Aalis na naman. O, blow. Ito. Aalis na naman. Ako pa nga pula muna.
Muna. Kaya lahat ng laway na yan.
Yan, wala.
January 6. Happy birthday to you. Tapingin na yung cake. Happy birthday to you.
Isang cake lang. Di ba lupit natin? Ate Shay!
Kailan?
December 19. Ate Shay, oh! Hali ka rito. Hali ka rito. Dalian mo. Dali, gagawin natin.
Malalaglag na yung cake ko.
Shay!
Anong December to?
19.
December 9. Happy birthday to you. Yan.
Lang tayo nag-birthday.
Hanggang next year na yun ha. Re-upload na lang.
Happy birthday, Micah. Happy birthday na.
Sa dami na nag-birthday, napagod yung cake ko. Nag-lean. Hindi, yung ano, bumagsak na. Bumagsak na. Landing na, lalanding na. Aro ba? Aro yan na ba? Aro! Mama! Ano yung na-discover nyo? Bakit ako? Ba't ganun? Aray. Ayun.
Si Shai na magdadala nung...
Dito kami sa GL. Doon si Kian and si Daddy. Uwi na kami. Sulit the weekend. Tapos work na ulit. And nandito kami ulit. Kunin namin yung motor ni Kian. Kasi may event bukas. May motor show dito sa amin. So maglalapag si Kian ng isa niyang motor. Pina-detail niya, pinaayos niya. Ito, kukunin na namin. Abangan natin bukas. Diyan na lang sa van.
Hello, Dambi. Dambi.
It's day 2 in our Cavite visit and now papunta kami sa court. Titignan namin yung ino-organize nating motor show mamayang gabi sa celebration ng 15th birthday ni Kian.
Hindi naman matanda.
Sama mo.
Pwede mo naman i-record dyan na wala ka helmet.
Bakit?
Talagang pinili mo.
Lahat tayo naka-helmet, ang cute natin eh. Nasa si Kian. Last na to, no?
Maipit ah.
Lala.
So, it's ready. 9:08 in the morning. Papunta kami dun sa court kasi mag-set kami ng stage. Lang ay bumili na ng brush. And we're rolling. Ito naman daw.
Sakay ka na ako na magsara.
Dito? As in, hindi. Ah. Bakit ako nakakuha? Nakakuha ka ba?
Hindi. Naka.
Ako nang tuloy ng video. It's hard for me to say.
Uy, yung motor!
Chicken yan.
Hi!
Yeah, I'm so fresh like the morning. Mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time they see me, they in G-Shock. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati. But I'm shining so bright, so bright. Don't come and try to shed some of this light now. Give me a beat.
Still in our day 2. Ngayon, start na yung motor show in celebration of Kian's 15th birthday.
Day.
Ayun si Kian. Ayun si Kian. Ayun si Kian.
And you know we ballin' all winter, all summer. Jewelry around my neck is lightning, but I'm all thunder.
Kaya nila yung motor ni Kian.
Keep coming with it, place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it, place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it. Bring a friend and come along. Don't be taking too long. The vibe's too strong. If you don't know how to move, then we moving on. Ain't no way rhythmic feet up in this place. If you can't catch the feeling, then get out the way. I've been reeling and fish from the lake. They keep saying I'm down to earth, but I'm really out of space. All these women aliens, super foreign, so exotic. Hop in the Mercedes Benz, and I got them crushing like ice pouring the bub. It's overflowing on us. You drop it, then pick it up. I think I'm falling in love, but shawty, this isn't what you probably thinking it was. It's a vibe out, cooling it for the weekend and such. You gon' find out once you come on and bring me that up. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us.
Yung gabi, sana naman ay walang masaktan. Papasalamat tayo sa mga nag-organize, sa aking pamilya na nandiyan sa isang tabi na sumusuporta sa atin, mga kaibigan, sa mga nandito sa paligid. Ang ganda ng event sa atin ngayon, puno ng tao. Sa atin po lahat, ang iniiwan kong salita at dala-dala ko sa aking serbisyo sa loob ng 34 na taon sa pambansang pulisya. Ito po ay ang disiplina, respeto at pagmamahal. Yun lang po at magandang gabi sa ating lahat.
Salamat unang-una sa Panginoon. Binigyan tayo ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ng ganitong pasaya. Salamat din po sa mga organizer na matagumpay na nairaos ang ating pasaya. Naway pagpalain po tayong lahat at maraming salamat sa lahat ng dumalo at sumuporta. Sana po ay napasaya namin kayong lahat. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat at ingat po sa pag-uwi.
Ito wala, alas dito na lang. Okay lang ba maglambing sa inyo? Total birthday naman niya ngayon. Baka naman pwede natin kantahan siya ng happy birthday ha. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Palakpakan naman dyan!
Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it. Bring a friend and come along. Let me take it to the dawn. The vibes are strong. We don't know how to move and we move it. Ain't no way we mix it up in this place. If you can't catch the feeling, then get out the way. I've been reeling and dealing and fish from the lake. They keep saying I'm down to earth, but I'm really out of space. All these women hating me and super foreign, so excited. Hopping in Mercedes Benz, and I got 'em. Crushing like ice pouring above. It's overflowing the hush. She dropping and pick it up. I think I'm falling in love. But shawty, this isn't what you probably thinking it was. It's a vibe out, pulling in for the weekend and such. You gon' find out once you come on and bring me that up. Keep coming with it.
It's day 3, 4:30 in the morning, and just like that, tapos na ang weekend. Pabalik na kami ni Micah sa Pampanga. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Just like that, back to normal again. Okay, goodie. Bye-bye guys! Oh, nadulas ka. Let's go. 4:30. May liwanag na tayo makakarating. Gas up. Natin ang ating location. We have 116 kilometers to go. Ito ang aming postura. Papunta na kami na Pampanga. Let's go. May gas na kami.